I'm Jim Medina with District 7. We're at the Tejon Pass Rest Area. Today we're activating electric vehicle rapid chargers. This is a milestone for Caltrans, which is committed to promoting sustainability and the increase of electric vehicles. I'm here with Bill Yang, who's the traffic engineer electrical with District 6. Bill, can you tell me a little bit how these units work?
So these units have two different types of ports, one port for import models and one port for American models, and Teslas can also use an adapter to charge off of these ports as well.
So these EV fast chargers, there's 22 total. These are 4 here at the Tejon Pass Rest Area. They're situated along I-5 and State Route 99, which is a major corridor through the Central Valley that connects to Southern California. What Caltrans hopes to accomplish by that is to promote, use of electric vehicles, but also to eliminate the worry about finding charging stations on long-distance trips. And so, can you tell us a little bit about how it's also ADA compliant?
So in many locations, it allows for ADA compliance, so we have no curb or gutter, so it allows people in wheelchairs to easily access the charging stations without having to have a specific access point.
From what I understand is these are pretty, within a half hour you can charge almost 80% of the vehicle.
It varies from vehicle to vehicle, but yes.
I'm here with Randy Gorman. He is the Lebec Maintenance Supervisor and oversees the rest areas on the I-5 here. Randy, how much traffic do you get through here?
I know we're extremely busy, and there's people here all hours of the day. If the people are making the commute from, Bakersfield to LA, basically this is the main artery for Northern and Southern California. This is about the halfway point, approximately, if they want to take a break, use a restroom or whatever. This would probably help them complete their trip, especially if it was a full electric vehicle. I think on those the range isn't quite as far, but if you could break it up halfway, I think it's a great thing.
And I understand you yourself are looking at purchasing an electric vehicle.
That is correct. It appears to be the wave of the future, so, down the road I'm sure that will be a purchase.
And you've test drive it some, is that right?
That is correct. Actually, the demo vehicle we're using here, I actually did a little test drive in that, and very impressive.
This is Jim Medina at the Tejon Pass Rest Area in Lebec, and thank you for watching Caltrans Newsflash.